Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The predicted 2026 Mercedes-Benz Military Motorhome is a major advancement in the field of high-performance, all-terrain recreational vehicles, skillfully fusing the robust capabilities required for military-grade applications with the renowned engineering prowess and opulent appointments that are synonymous with the Mercedes-Benz brand. In order to satisfy a discerning clientele looking for unmatched autonomy and comfort in the most difficult settings, this hypothetical vehicle combines powerful off-road ability with smart mobile living. A highly modified Mercedes-Benz military chassis, possibly from the Zetros or Unimog series, which are renowned for their remarkable torsional rigidity, portal axles, and multi-wheel drive systems, would probably serve as the basis for this extraordinary RV. Strong ground clearance, excellent grip on a variety of surfaces, and the durability required to navigate difficult terrains would all be guaranteed by these underpinnings. A high-torque, multi-cylinder Mercedes-Benz diesel engine built for dependability and longevity would surely be part of the powertrain, along with a cutting-edge transmission system that offers a variety of gear ratios to maximize performance in both high-speed transit and low-speed obstacle maneuvering. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Military Motorhome's external appearance would probably put an emphasis on practicality and subtle toughness. The car would appear to have fearsome capacity despite not being blatantly aggressive thanks to its high stance, heavy-duty bumpers with built-in recovery points, and well-placed protection components. The best visibility under all circumstances would be guaranteed by integrated lighting systems, which might include cutting-edge LED technology with blackout capabilities. The vehicle structure would be seamlessly connected with several external storage compartments that are intended to provide safe and weatherproof stowage for supplies and equipment. Self-sufficiency would also be taken into account, with the possibility of incorporating large freshwater and gray water tanks, a powerful onboard generator, and roof-mounted solar panels. Within its tough exterior, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Military Motorhome's interior would be a haven of upscale comfort and cutting-edge technology. The living area would be painstakingly designed with high-quality, long-lasting materials, with a focus on ergonomics and optimizing usable space. Long trips would be incredibly comfortable with plush upholstery covered in premium leather or long-lasting, easily cleaned textiles. A fully furnished gourmet kitchen with top-notch appliances and lots of storage would support prolonged independence. The sleeping areas would be made to provide comfortable accommodations, maybe with flexible layouts to accommodate different needs. This vehicle's advanced technology integration would be a defining feature. This would probably feature a strong onboard power management system with intelligent energy distribution, an advanced navigation and terrain management system, and an extensive satellite communication system. The RV could be outfitted with external video systems that offer thorough surveillance for security and situational awareness. A high-capacity water purification system would provide availability to drinkable water in isolated areas, and the climate control system would be designed to maintain a comfortable interior environment even in the face of extreme temperatures. A niche market of people and organizations needing a mobile platform that can navigate challenging conditions while offering a high degree of comfort and self-sufficiency would be served by the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Military Motorhome. These might be high-net-worth individuals looking for unmatched adventure and security, research units, or expedition teams. Given its custom engineering, high-end materials, and cutting-edge technology features, the car would be a substantial investment. In the end, this RV would represent a singular combination of Mercedes-Benz dedication to opulent design and engineering prowess, tailored for the most difficult and remarkable travels.